In today's video, I'm going to show how to upgrade the headlights in a 2016 to 2023 Toyota Tacoma with both low and high beam LED bulbs from Auxito. The Tacoma uses two H11 bulbs for each headlight. I chose to upgrade the truck with Auxito's X5 series LED bulbs. These bulbs have a rating of 170 watts with 32,000 lumens and a color temperature of 6500 Kelvin for exceptional brightness that greatly exceeds the output of the factory halogen bulbs. This makes seeing at night much easier. The bulbs can function within a wide range of voltage from 9 to 30 volts. The bulbs have been designed to work inside a halogen housing, giving off the same beam pattern. Furthermore, they are 99% CANbus ready, making for a simple plug-and-play installation in your truck. I will have a link to the bulbs and any other items used in this video down in the video description. Upon opening the box to each set of bulbs, they have the same items inside. At the top of the box is a container housing all the accessories. Under that container are the two bulbs with their ballast attached via a short wire. The bulbs are securely packed in a foam material to ensure that they are delivered to you safely. As for the accessories, the package contains zip ties, 3M double-sided tape, an Allen tool, gloves, and a manual. Before we begin on how to install the LED bulbs, here is a look at the factory halogen bulbs. The camera makes the bulbs look brighter and wider than they actually are. I will show a side-by-side comparison later in the video, which will show just how different the two types of bulbs truly are. The OEM bulbs don't make seeing at night great. They do okay, but it can be hard to see at night. Where I live, the roads have little lighting, and the lines are not painted brightly or have proper reflectors. This is the reason I wanted to upgrade the headlights. I wanted to be able to see better at night to make driving safer. Not only that, but the new lights give the truck a more modern look. LED lights have become a normal feature of most modern cars, and they look fantastic. Showing the lights against a white garage door helps to show just how dim they look. When driving in my neighborhood, they look okay, but they're being aided by the fact my street is well lit. I can't wait to show you just how much better the new lights aid night driving over the OEM lights. The installation of the new bulbs can be performed without doing anything to the vehicle except removing the factory bulbs and installing the new ones. With that being said, these new LED bulbs are longer than the factory bulbs due to the fan assembly at the back of each bulb. To ensure I didn't run into any fitment issues, I decided to loosen the headlights, allowing me to move the headlights forward and providing more room for an easier install. This was especially helpful on the passenger side, as you'll see during the installation. I feel this way of installing the LED bulbs didn't add much in the way of complexity to the installation and made installing the bulbs much easier. To begin, you'll need to remove the truck's grille. The grille is held into place by two screws securing the grille to the truck and two plastic clips securing the grille to the headlights. To remove the two screws, you'll need a T15 torque bit. With the screws removed, use a plastic trim tool to remove the plastic clips on each side of the grille. Once the clips have been removed, you can pull the grille forward and remove it from the truck. The box with the wires shown in the video is an aftermarket item added to the truck and not typical for Tacoma trucks. With the grille removed, you can loosen the headlights. To loosen the headlights, unscrew the two Phillips head screws at the top of each headlight. After all four screws have been removed, go to the lower inside corner of each headlight and using a plastic trim tool, remove the plastic clip holding the headlight to the bumper. Now that the screws and the clips have been removed, each headlight will now be able to be flexed forward, providing additional room to remove and install the new low and high beam bulbs. I started with the passenger side headlight, which is the harder of the two headlights due to the windshield wiper fluid reservoir. There is a cutout in the reservoir allowing you to remove the factory bulbs. I removed the low beam bulb first. Reach your hand into the reservoir's cutout and twist the bulb from 6 o'clock position to the 3 o'clock position. Pull the bulb out of the headlight. Finally, unplug the wire harness from the bulb. Each bulb is an H11 size bulb. Comparing the OEM halogen bulb next to the X5 LED bulb, you can see a big difference between the two in regards to the length and base of each bulb. To install the new LED bulb, you'll want to position it with the wire facing the 3 o'clock position. Look at the wire the same as the factory bulb's wire harness plug-in. Push the bulb into the headlight and twist it from the 3 o'clock position to the 6 o'clock position. This is where having the ability to flex the headlight assembly really helps to fit the new bulb into the low beam housing. After the bulb is locked into place, grab the factory wire harness and plug the LED wire harness into it. Make sure the plus and minus symbols of the LED wire harness are visible on the same side the factory harness has its lock. Also, you should hear the two harnesses click when they lock together. Now onto the high beam. The installation process is the same as the low beam. The difference here is you can see the bulb in the headlight assembly. This is helpful since the bulbs need to be positioned with the LED chips facing east to west. After both bulbs have been installed, you can zip tie the ballast to the factory wiring. The bulbs come with zip ties and double-sided tape that can be used to secure the ballast to the vehicle. In this truck, it was easier to just zip tie the ballast instead of using the tape. Finally, reinstall the headlight's two screws and plastic clip. This completes the installation process for the passenger side headlight. The driver's side headlight is the easier of the two headlights since it doesn't have the washer fluid reservoir in the way. Even though there is better access on this side of the vehicle, I still found I liked having the extra room provided by having the ability to move the headlight assembly forward a bit when installing the new low beam bulb. On this side, when I stepped back to look at the high beam's placement, I could see that the bulb was not positioned correctly. To fix this issue, I used the supplied Allen tool to loosen the bulb's base and turn it slightly, then retightened the base. I reinstalled the bulb to check the positioning again and could see that the bulb was now correctly positioned with the LED chips facing east and west. Remember when plugging in each wire harness to make sure the plus and minus symbols on the LED's harness are visible on the side of the factory wire harness that has the locking clip. Zip tie the ballast to the vehicle's wiring. Finally, reinstall the headlight's screws and plastic clip. This completes the installation process for the driver's side headlight. The last thing to do is to reinstall the factory grille. Push the grille back into place. Screw in the 2 top screws with the T15 torque bit. Finally, reinstall the 2 plastic clips. You can now test out your new headlights. Even though it is daytime, you can easily see a big color difference between the LED headlights and the halogen fog lights. The low beam lights have a crisp white light that really updates the look of the headlights. The high beams have the same crisp white look that perfectly matches the low beams. Nighttime is a completely different story. The difference in the light output versus the factory halogen lights is significant. The new LED lights are extremely bright and provide a much greater range of vision at night. Looking at the lights against a white garage door helps to show the difference between the halogen and LED bulbs. It also shows how well the LED light pattern matches that of the OEM bulbs. Driving down the road, you can see that the LED lights provide a brighter, wider, and longer range of light, giving you the best possible visibility at night. The new LEDs are so much nicer than the original halogen lights that they even make the fog lights unneeded, because they just can't match the brightness of the new lights. The next upgrade will be to replace the fog lights so that all the lights match and will be able to work together properly. Here's a really good shot of showing you just how much distance the new high beams allow you to see. I really love the way these new Auxito X5 series LED bulbs look. They were easy to install and greatly enhance nighttime driving. Plus, they just look amazing. The best part is they are much less expensive than replacing the entire headlight assembly. If you are looking to upgrade your truck's lights, check out the link in the video description to order your set of Auxito X5 LED bulbs today. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe for more content.